I'm tired of social media discussion on tax. I want to stay with you for 2 days. Let us discuss. So I call on all and sundry and all Nigerians who have issues with the bills. Read the bills before you comment. Even some of our leaders never opened a page of these bills submitted to the National Assembly before they started running television to condemn. So please, if you don't have copies, ask the chairman to give you copies. Since it's a 2-day event, use today to listen to other people. Don't jump up to contribute based on social media discussions. Go and read first. When we meet again tomorrow, you come and make your contribution, and it's also online. You can download, go through it. The area you don't want, please tell us. For me, I will not run the Nigerian Senate on the basis of what they write on social media.